How to delete X watch history. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to delete your X watch history. The very first thing that you want to do is open up X and then make sure that you're logged in into your account. At the top left, just simply tap in your profile picture and then under settings and support, choose on settings and privacy. Now once you're here, just simply scroll down again and then choose on accessibility, display and languages. From here, choose on data usage. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Now, for some reason, it's not actually showing on my end, but I'm pretty sure that it will be shown on yours. All I have to do is to tap on media storage and web storage. You just need to simply clear cache for both of those options. The other thing that you can do is to locate your X logo. Simply tap and hold, and then hit on I for you to be redirected into app info. Now choose on storage, and then this is where you can clear cache and clear data as well. And that is how you delete X watch history.